making suhoor or siri for 23 days Ramadan fasting, and today is Friday and March 13. So I'm making roti now, and I make already paratha. So I put already fresh buffalo milk from this tea. Then I make hot only little cow liver curry, and then I make hot rice also with this lady finger, and this one lady finger curry, and I have this sauce bagoong isda with lemon. So alhamdulillah for making suhoor. I put already milk here. Now close fasting. Time check is 4:53 a.m. That is Rawalakot City. There is already azan, finished already siren. Done our aftari and dinner, but still we have sharbot here, but we can finish this one after. And then fruit chat, we can eat also this one later on. And then 4 chapatis extra or 5. And there is also little extra cow liver curry. And today I did not cook anything because I have extra. Yesterday I cooked cow liver curry, so this still extra. So until tomorrow, this one for my suhoor or siri. And lady finger curry finish, but there is little bit extra. And rice, I have still rice for tomorrow suhoor. Until this one for tomorrow dinner for 24 days Ramadan fasting. So today is 23 days Ramadan fasting, alhamdulillah. And pumunta kami sa bazaar kanina, bumili ng damit ni Fatma and some personal things. So bumili din ako ng ano tawag nila dito ay namakpari. Ito ay crispy siya, yun. Kumbaga ano ba, chippy. Yan, oh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. At yung samosa, ayan. Tapos rust, yung bread na toasted ba. Tapos bumili din ako ng mayonnaise kasi may gagawin ako bukas. And then organic yogurt na binigay before 2 days yata ito. Na gatas ng ano, cow. And then ito yung jalebi, oh, sobrang tamis ito. Ayan. Jalebi tawag nila. Ay, masarap. Ayan, kain tayo uli after iftari at saka dinner kasi yung open fasting ay 6:10 p.m. So ngayon ay 9:30 p.m. na. So ito, inom ako ng kunting sharbot. Ayan, ayan, inom tayo. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Tapos ito na yung ano, fruit chat. Naglagay ako kunti. Kasi sila kakain din. Silang kunti lang kinakain. Si Fahad at saka si Fatma. May ano ito, may strawberry kunti. Tapos apples, bananas, guavas, oranges at saka sweet melon din. Fresh buffalo milk lang yung nilagay ko dito at saka sugar, no, condensed milk at saka Nestle cream. So ito na yung ano, yung samosa. Tingnan niyo itong samosa nila. Yung palaman niya ay ano lang, mashed potato. Ayan, oh. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Ganito kasimple yung palaman ng ano nila, samosa. Ayan. Kunti lang yung palaman niya, oh. Masarap yung ano, yung wrapper niya. Non-popper. Namakpar tawag nila dito.